Hi guys, this video is dedicated on how to work with YouTube Analytics with A&B Summarize tool, but with a little twist. Today we're going to use our website rather than ChatGPT. So when you go to copilot.us, there will going to be a dashboard with all the tools that we've created so far, and for every single one of them, there are going to be two options: chat on ChatGPT and chat on copilot.us. And chat on copilot.us, which is our website, is the option we're going to proceed with today. So once you click on chat on copilot.us, you're gonna be redirected to the chat, which kind of looks like ChatGPT, so it's pretty easy to navigate. Here, we gonna work with YouTube Analytics in particular. So the first prompt that I wanted to show to you is copy pasting a list of YouTube channels that you want to work with, and then actual prompt, which is judging by the descriptions of the channels, tell me which of them are related to sports. So here what we're going to do is actually analyze the list of channels that we have here, and then filter out which are focusing on the topics that we're interested in, particularly here sports. Of course, when there are only 4 channels, it might seem that it might not take as much time for you to do everything manually, but trust me, when you're an influencer or social media marketing manager, there would be much more information to analyze, and this is a great tool to save your time. So here we have a neatly organized a few paragraphs, and we can see which channels are within the topics that we are interested in. The second prompt that I wanted to show you is comparing a little bit more of numbers and quantitative information rather than qualitative. Here we're gonna focus on the amount of subscribers, engagement rate, and so on. Also, we have a 2-liner prompt right here, and then we copy pasted 3 channels that we want to work with. Again, that could work for any amount of channels. And you know, when you're actually working with social media, there is a lot of analytics going on and you need to fill out a lot of reports. I think that is going to be great help for people who are doing that on everyday basis. So again, super easy prompt, just a few moments, and we're gonna receive all the information needed, and you don't really need to go back and forth from YouTube to your tables or presentation. Everything will be ready right here, and you can actually insert that into the format that you needed. Also, a little bit of in general summary in the end. And the last case that I wanted to talk about today is to analyze and understand what your potential viewer is actually resonating with. So here we're analyzing travel vlogging to understand what kind of content is actually interesting for viewers. Again, the same logic, 1-line or 2-line prompt, and then copy pasting the list of channels that we want to work with. As you can see, the general structure is the same for all the prompts. Basically, it's very important to have the links to the channels that you're working with, and then very short, very precise prompt, whether you want to work with more insights and what is resonating with the people, or you want to work more with the numbers. Here we have all the report, little description of the channel, actual numbers that we asked for, and also content note that we were prompting. And in the end, also little summary of a helicopter view of what is going on. I really hope this video was useful for you. In case you run into any problems, please feel free to contact our support team. They're always there to make your experience as smooth as possible. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.